Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. 大家好，我係 Marie. Welcome to the Cantonese whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn about language abilities in Cantonese. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have 英文 English 英文英文西班牙文 Spanish 西班牙文西班牙文中文 Chinese 中文中文法文 French 法文法文葡萄牙文 Portuguese 葡萄牙文葡萄牙文意大利文 Italian 意大利文意大利文德文 German 德文德文日文 Japanese 日文日文阿拉伯文 Arabic 阿拉伯文阿拉伯文韓文 Korean 韓文韓文俄文 Russian 俄文俄文Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the vocabulary. Find what the language is and see how it's used in the dialogue. 你好，你識唔識講英文？ Hello, do you speak English? 你好，你識唔識講英文？識啊，我識講英文。Yes, I speak English. 識啊，我識講英文。Now let's look at some speaking examples. 識啊，我識講日文。Yes, I speak Japanese. 識啊，我識講日文。識啊，我識講俄文。Yes, I speak Russian. 識啊，我識講俄文。Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogue will follow. 識啊，我識講 language. Yes, I speak language. 識啊，我識講 language. 識啊 Yes, 我識講 I speak. Many Hong Kongers switch between languages depending on the context. Cantonese is the dominant language in everyday life, but English is often used in business, education, and legal contexts. Due to its status as an official language, Mandarin has also become more prominent since the 1997 handover to China. especially in government and formal settings. This language switching ability, known as code switching, is not only a practical skill, but also a marker of cultural identity in Hong Kong, where people navigate between local traditions and global influences. Do you remember how to say Arabic? 阿拉伯文 阿拉伯文 And how to say Korean? 韓文 韓文 Do you remember how to say Russian? 俄文俄文 And how to say I speak? 我識講我識講 Do you remember how to say Yes, I speak? 識啊，我識講識啊，我識講 And how to say Yes, I speak English? 識啊，我識講英文識啊，我識講英文 In this lesson, you learned about language abilities in Cantonese. Thanks for watching. I'm Marie, and I will see you on CantoneseClass101.com. 再見!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.